Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Pleasant morning. Pleasant Jamaican morning. From my Jamaican home to wherever you are. Canada, America. Anyway, in the Caribbean, my Caribbean brother and sister them. Yup. Good morning. Anywhere you are, I'm saying good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening. And you know, mother always wish it for good night. When you're in your bed, cock up. I'm looking a bit sweaty, but I'm sorry for that. Weather change. And I'm kind of glad for the sweating to sweat out some other. I think some other, I need some sweating out, but it's like probably about 8:10 past, about 8:15 now. And today is another warm day, but we give thanks for it. And we are hoping at the interim, look more rainfall so that the dam then can stay with little water. Because we still not have no water in the dam them for Kingston and St. Andrew, but we still are rolling and we are panka. Somebody say I've replied to your comments as yet, but me still no comments them, man. But I haven't gotten the chance. Today is like more like a pudding day for me. I'm gonna bake pudding, maybe one or two puddings. I'm just gonna do a little baking. You know, this won't be a tutorial that I'm going in depth to show you, but I'm gonna show you maybe as me. That is gonna grate the potato for me with the strong hand them. That no big body doing it. That is a small body person. Laverne, only you alone know the secret, you know. But he has strong hands, so he's gonna grate the potato for me. So I'm just like here out at the round the back. I don't know Roxy and Tompa there for sure, no. Maybe before the vlog end, not a day, yeah, me find it. But for now, I'm not see them. I did see them not too long, but the camera never off. One piece of ramping, ma. A lot of planes. So it's another day. Good morning again. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Whenever this one reach out to you, I hope everything will be okay. Your family and all of that. You know that it's okay with you health-wise. Your job is good and all of that bills being paid. I do hope that for you all, okay? Because you know that's all we live for now. Pay bills. Not true? So this is about where it's at now. So I am in the back here, around the back. So I'll catch up with you in the next clip, eh? Hear that just a ball out saying tired party. So look. Yellow belly sweet potato, but enough potato we have here, Mandy. Yeah? So that just start out the potato, so I'm have the yam here now. If I got greater in a heat, you see me I say if I make it, you know, for me get that like, I don't see how me deal with it, so, but the potato here look enough. 5 pound of potato in the look, but this look like a whole heap of pudding. So I just saw it there, and all of them something there, see? So that was outside. That deal with him thing, greater the coconut and more greater the yam. Now I'm going to mix it up together. So inside here, so this I'm a mixture. See? So I have my little, just like how you see me do it. My coconut milk and I spice it up. And all of them something and my little bread. This is like French bread I have in this. See? And I have that in there. So I'm going to melt some butter and leave it to cool. And in this one, I'm going to be putting a little flavoring. I'm going to be putting a little guava jam. And you can use strawberry. You can flavor up your pudding. See? So, look here. When you see me again, you know, along with other activities during this vlog, this pudding should be properly put together. And we're supposed to have it in a pan or 2 pan. And it's supposed to in the oven. But guess what? I got in one different oven, not my regular oven that you know about. So tell me what you know about that. Catch you in the next clip. Alright, Paris, see them there? I hope you're seeing. I don't know how much you see. See them there. They eat me. I tell us I have it at 180. You see it? Yeah, 180. See it there? Right at 180. I tell us it's a click. The other one I have run is a joking oven that. See? Stop. Look here. Hello. Come here. You know, sir. Him know camera too, you know. What's up? Look at me. Look at me here now. Look at me. Tampa. Let me have a little me time. You want pudding? Where you want? Come here, boy. Look at me here now. Come here. What happened? What's happening? What? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the people, Tampa. Daddy Bun? Tampa, otherwise known as Daddy Bun Bun. Daddy Bun Bun is to me and you. Not you. What's up? Say hello. You not have no behavior. Go on about your business. Watch ya, cause this a old backy one ya him. Him turn a face, can't see the camera. It's a Tampa and Roxy time. Roxy boo boo. When me call him, that's what him do. Roxy boo boo. Roxy boo boo. Tail time, man. Yeah. Yeah, me catch you this time. You not even know what to do. If you move, you not for move. Okay. Girls and boys, them puddings are out. This one was out before. So you notice as it cools, it's pulling away from the side. And we have the little edge. We never deal with the wetty thing this time. But it's good. It's all soft and nice. This one just came out. Wow. I hope you're seeing it as you should. Yes. Yes. This pudding is good. Nice pretty color. And this is all potato. You know I'm gonna put caramel in my potato pudding. For caramel pudding, a caramel pudding. For potato pudding, a potato pudding. This is the crap. No, this one has a visa, you see? This one has a visa. And this is for us to heat around here. This one ain't going nowhere. But this one, from the look of it, you know it's ready. It got its visa this morning. Can you comment? This look like it's a pudding vlog today. Catch you in the other clip. Paris, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon. And you know some of that like it to be good night when this little continuation vlog reaches you. You know some of them never finish the pudding baking there. I never finished the vlog there. Some of us are continue. That was Wednesday. Today is Friday. So I'm just checking in, hoping that you're having a blessed day, the start of the weekend, and all of that. Hoping that everything is good. We went live last night on the Jamaican cooking journey, but it seems that the timing was wrong. But I still want to give thanks and also want to thank you all who are tuned in and all of that. So today is Friday. We are on a different mission. We have just been delivered some new backyard furniture and all of that. We are going to talk more. So those are over there in the box. We have some over there, right there, and we have some right there on the floor. We have some seats here. We're trying to fix up the backyard here for the summer, that if anyone want to pass by and look for me, we can sit and we can have a drink. Oh no, can spend our money with me too. Not true. Not help me to do what me I do. Not true. So today they have just been delivered. Dada feeding face over there. So Dada will come, you know, make sure so everything is okay, set up and make sure everything is okay, and all of that, because them just come. We're not going to be fully in swing and so all of that. So today I'm just going to be going around. I went on the road, just came back though. So as me go through, me know we make know what one, do not like a sneak peek. These are some of the chairs of what is going to be happening. So let's try to see if everything is intact when we pull out those boxes and all of that. We're not fully ready to reveal everything, but as you go along, you will see. Not only the backyard, we have other stuff to reveal too, but it's a working process and all of that. So, you know what happened? I'm going to catch you in the next clip. See, Roxy sit down, I lay down, I doorway, and show them Roxy, you know. Him at. Rox, say hi. Say hi now, Rox. Say hi. He must sleep, Reginald. Catch you all in the next clip, Paris. So, right here, so Paris, we are doing a setup. That a setup. It always good for have a little man, you know. Real good little man. So that down there, so, and him a do a little setup. This is like the outside table with chairs. So that I set up the base. And all of them nice little things there go on. See? The people that deliver said normally these things they will assemble, but you gotta pay them. But me have to see if that they look out assemble money there for eat food. Cause I know it go, cause dad can't do that. So see him them I go on with him thing and all like that. I can't put the camera up in him face, so I have to respect that him don't want to be on the camera. But maybe as we go along, it might come on the camera an idea. So I must set up the base at the table. So as him reach a little further, me make I want to go and do that. The camera in your face, you know, nervous, you nervous? Oh, the ear So Parry, well, this Friday has turned out to be a really little hectic Friday, but we are glad and we are happy and we give the Lord Jesus thanks. So this right here now, this is partner with the backyard furniture. We just get a little setup, so we just show you it. You know, we take our time, we're just doing it a little at a time because it takes cash to care and all of that. And we have this other piece to put up. We won't tell you what is in it, but you'll see what is in it in another video. So this is some of the garbage. So now, I am setting up the summer, and as I told you, I have a lot of things working on. So I'm trying to set up a little backyard thing that when you come, so ever will, with no anti-panty involved, reel up, put up, don't hurt people. Okay, that's what we're dealing with. We have a little kitchen and some other stuff here. We have gotten some stuff in the kitchen already, but I won't show you that until then. So we have quite a few more things to get as we go along and all of that. So I've gotten some donations and I have used it to help along to get with some of these that what I have already. So I'm throwing out this to you that if in case there is anybody out there that would like to make a donation to us to get other stuff, it doesn't matter how small, we would appreciate it, okay? It's not compulsory. If you don't want to, you don't have to. You don't have to go in the comment section to make a bag and talk about whatever. There are people out there that are genuinely check for me, Debbie Debs, me know that. So I know that some people don't know what is happening, and I'm just saying it publicly now on the channel, that in case you want to make a donation or for whatever it is, it doesn't matter how small. You see, I would appreciate, we on the Jamaican Dividends train would appreciate it. So I want to say thanks to all those who have been donating. Thank you so much. You have made it possible that we are rolling along. We have a lot of things more to do, and probably in the future we might have to get a bigger backyard. But for now, definitely, this is just like for now. You know, we're trying to see what we can do for the summer, further on down. And there are other things that we'd like to talk to. We have a lot more little things to do, but we're starting right out here because the sun gets hot. And you know, we have got to be on the outside most time now. So we're rolling on. So if you want to know more, you can hook me up on Instagram. Also, you can send me an email. Okay? And all of that. Until we can get back, you know, WhatsApp number and stuff and all of that. I want to thank you so much for your love. You all know yourselves. The people that have been donating, they don't want their names to be called and all of that. They're not people that, you know, them just want to just do them thing. Genuinely and lovely. And I just want to thank you all so much. You know yourself. I know you're looking at me right now. I want to thank you for your love. I want to thank you. I won't call any names. Thank you so much. All of this is like, you know, you all made it happen. So we thank you so much. I can't wait for come. So we come sit down there so, and all of them something right around there. And make we have some good times and all of that. And we have a lot more to do. So let me tell you something. From my Jamaican backyard to wherever you are, okay, from the Jamaican Deadlift Train, it is just love, peace, and blessing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things. You see how the sun stays? Oh, it's blazing. It's blazing. It's beautiful though.